Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good. Today's video is going to be about my wash day routine. I have 4C hair with dry and flaky scalp, so if you're interested in knowing how I do my hair during wash days, then keep watching. First, we're going to dive into the products, and later I will explain why I use each product for when. So for my hot oil treatment, I use olive oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil. Sulphur 8 shampoo, Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner together with apple cider vinegar, the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner, my homemade Shea Butter Mix, and castor oil. As my tools, I use this detangler, my head massager, some scrunchies, and last but not least, you will need time, patience, and tender love and care. So let's start from the beginning, shall we? At this point, my hair is super dry, my scalp is itching and flaky. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start with a hot oil treatment and focus on the scalp. So, a hot oil treatment has some benefits. Some of these include that it reduces dryness of both the scalp and hair, it helps with dandruff relief, and it increases blood flow in the scalp, which may help promote healthier hair. I have warmed up the three oils that I just mentioned, the olive oil, the almond oil, and jojoba oil, and I'm just rubbing this into my scalp. The reason that I use these three oils is because, in particular, the almond oil and jojoba oil tend to absorb really quickly. Especially with jojoba oil, it regulates sebum production because it's so similar to the sebum that your body produces naturally. So when you put jojoba oil on your skin or on your scalp, it really suits the skin and it doesn't really cause too much of a disruption. So at this point, I have sectioned my hair in four parts, and I'm taking my spray bottle and making my hair damp so it's easier to finger detangle and get all the knots out. Finger detangling is honestly the most tedious part, or maybe not the most, but one of the most. And but it has to happen because I don't want to put too much strain on my hair with too many combs and stuff like that. So at this point, once again, I am really making sure that all the oils are getting into my scalp. I am rubbing the rest of the oil on the rest of my hair strands, and I will let this sit for about half an hour. So about half an hour has gone by, and I am now taking out the braids to see what it looks like. Even with this alone, I can definitely feel that my hair is a lot softer and ready for shampoo. So as I mentioned before, I am using the Sulphur 8 shampoo. This shampoo is really good for dandruff and itchy scalp, and it's also antibacterial. I probably use the shampoo like only twice a month because I feel like using it more will definitely dry out my hair more than necessary. And once again, I am mainly focusing on my scalp. This scalp massager that I got from Amazon really does the job. It really gets into my scalp without having to use my nails. I would say that if you also have dry and flaky scalp like mine, this process is definitely very important because not only are you getting rid of the flakes and focusing on your scalp, you're also really massaging and stimulating blood circulation and promoting hair growth. So at this point, my hair is super clean, and what I just put in a water bottle is water and apple cider vinegar, and I am just making sure to rub this into my scalp as well. Once again, we're focusing on the scalp, getting rid of the flakes, all the product buildup, and all the dirt. So, apple cider vinegar also has a lot of benefits. It is antibacterial as well. and it helps combating dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. So I mostly use this after shampoo and before my deep conditioner. On top of that, it also tames rough hair cuticles and fights split ends. And once again, I'm taking my scalp massager to get all the goodies of the apple cider vinegar onto my scalp. And now we are moving on to the deep conditioning. I'm using the one from Shea Moisture, the strengthening and restore treatment mask, the black castor oil one. So far, this is the only one that I've used from Shea Moisture. Honestly, I appreciate almost everything made with castor oil because I feel like for my hair, it's really not too heavy, but I can understand that for some people it might be too heavy. This is also the first time that I'm using this detangler. I got it from Amazon, and if you're interested in a full review, let me know, then I can make one. So just like with any other deep conditioner, I am rubbing this deep conditioner as good as possible onto my hair strands and detangling it with my detangler. I am not putting any of the product onto my scalp because I do not want any product buildup. I am just mainly focusing on the ends of my hair and on the rest of my hair. At this point, all the product is in my hair and my hair is sectioned in four. I will let this sit for an hour to overnight, depending on my energy levels, and then wash it out. So here I am once again assessing my scalp and checking if it's as clean as possible because I just put so much effort into that and I do not want to see anything that does not belong there. So, with this being said, we have come to the end of this process, and I am preparing my hair to put it in twists so that it does not get all tangled up. Okay, so for my hair, I use the LCO method, which stands for liquid, cream, and oil. And this method refers to the sequence to which you apply your hair products. The idea is to begin with damp hair and then add more moisture with a water-based product. This water-based product that I'm using is the Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. And once again, I'm taking a wide tooth comb to really get all the tangles out, and then I'll proceed with my C, which is the cream, and that is my homemade shea butter mix. This cream consists of raw unrefined shea butter mixed with all of my favorite oils. Shea butter has been a staple product ever since I went natural about 7 years ago because it provides moisture and makes my hair really soft from the roots to the very tips. And last but not least, I use the castor oil as my oil because, as we all know, castor oil has so many benefits. It makes the hair thicker, it makes hair grow again, and once again, I'm detangling it and putting it into twists. When applying my oil and my cream, I make sure to really focus on my ends because those are the most vulnerable parts and also more prone to split ends. And as final step, I'm just taking some castor oil and putting that onto my hair and my edges, and I'm calling it a night. So we have come to the end of this video, and like I said, this is my detailed wash day routine. If you found this helpful, please let me know by leaving a like and a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.